What's good, family? Hope everyone's doing well. Today is my last trading day for the week. I have some stuff I gotta handle tomorrow, so I won't be trading tomorrow. I'm gonna be back Monday trading, right? It's hard, when you're a trading addict and all that. But sometimes it's best not to do it when you're not fully comfortable, because I've done that before, and all I ended up doing was lose some money. So I'm not gonna be trading tomorrow. I'll be back on Monday. I'm back at it again. But just reflecting on this past month's trading and going forward, I wanted to talk to you guys about some of the things that I've been doing to kind of find that consistency in the market, right? I've been kind of in a flow state, right? Just really doing the same things every day, day in and day out, and getting the results that I'm looking for, right? And I want to share some of the tips that's getting me this result that you guys are seeing on the screen right now, right? I've had about 10 green days in a row, most of them for $500+. And I definitely want to share with you guys what I'm doing in terms of some of the good habits that I have to help me lock in these days, right? Because I think some of you guys may just be missing that. You have a green day here, then a red day, green day, red day. But to find that consistency, there's a few things that I have been doing that's really been helping me with this, and I'm going to share it with you guys right now. The first thing is hitting base hits, right? So just base hits, having achievable goals, right? A lot of us want these 1,000, $5,000, $10,000 days, but we haven't even hit $500 yet, right? I think it's really being realistic with yourself and where you are in your trading, and really thinking about, like, hey, how much money can I really make today? And if I'm only trading 5 micros, what's a realistic goal for me on a day in order for me to get in and out, get the fuck out this market, right? And save my money, save my capital. And I think a lot of us need to come up with realistic expectations on our daily goals. So what I've been doing is just hitting base hits, right? I'm making between $500 to $850 max. Of course, I'm following the consistency rule too with Top One Trader, who I've been trading with now. I'm also following the consistency rule, but I'm hitting between $500 to $800. If I hit my max profit, good. If I take 3 trades and I'm only, a few losing trades, I'm up $600. I'm done. I'm not gonna go for the 800. I'm just gonna lock it out. It's fine. You don't have to hit the max of your, max profit every day, because what happens a lot of times is you end up losing money anyway. So just lock it in, move on to the next day, right? If it's tough, price action is tough, just move on to the next day. You don't have to the longer you stay in these markets, the more likely you are to lose money. Trust me, the longer you stay in these markets, the more likely you are to lose money. I've been copy trading and getting in and out of the market, and it's been so much better than when I was trading 5 accounts and not copy trading them because I was scared of what would happen. All it really was is I wasn't consistent enough, right? And I would be in the market till fucking 1 p.m. to even sometimes 3 o'clock, like just be in the market. And it's literally felt like a job, like just watching the charts, watching every candlestick. Oh, where's the next move gonna be? So it's literally getting your base hits. So set a limit, set a minimum amount, whether it's 300 or 500. For me, it's 500, and then set a maximum amount. You need a minimum and a maximum, because sometimes you'll end up right between that, and you're like, oh, should I take another trade? Blah blah blah. No, like once you hit your minimum, get the fuck out of there. You're done for the day. Come back tomorrow, and do the same thing over again. So set that minimum and set that maximum for you to keep hitting these base hits, because you'll see that at the end of the week they add up. I'm at 3K this week, right, on my Top One Futures account, right? I'll show you guys right here, so I'm not freaking just making shit up. I'm at 3K, right? And I've done this by hitting 500, 800, 500 on 4 trading days. Like I'm not trading all 5 days this week, and I made $3,000 just by hitting between $500 and $800. You can do the same. You just have to pick a target and stick with it. Number 2, really, really important one, and I mentioned this just earlier, is to lock those accounts out. Once you are done, lock those accounts out. Either you have that maximum limit, or once you hit a good, okay, I'm satisfied with this, lock it out and don't go back in there. Don't even look at the market, man. You don't have to. Like most days, if I'm not charting in the PM session, I'm not looking at the charts until probably in the morning, 7, 8 a.m. when I start charting and trying to understand what happened overnight. Like I'm really making it like, hey man, I'm done with this. Like we're done, we're locked it in. We're not gonna look back at this, man. So just lock it in and just move forward, man. Don't keep going back into the market, because all you're gonna be doing is giving back money. And we know this, but us as traders, we still do this, right? So lock it in and stop going back into the market, fellas. Like ladies too, of course. Stop going back into the market. Just lock it out. We have these awesome lockout features. I know Tradevate has it. I know TopStepX has it. Top One Trader has it. Lock the account out and come back the next day, man. I promise you, once you will be happy, you will be more satisfied when you know I can't do nothing else for the rest of the day. Even if I wanted to, even if I saw the perfect banger setup, still can't do nothing. Lock the accounts out, because what happens is you don't lose money. The next day you make some more money and it compounds, it adds up. Next thing you know, boom, you're up 5K. Lock those accounts out, please. All right, 3, if you're trading from behind, let's say you start your day and you start off with 2 losing trades, right? You're down $400 on the day. If you're trading from behind, if you're still trying to go back green, if you're like, okay, I'm going to take 1 more setup or 2 more setups, it's being realistic. None of us wants to go home down $400 when we know we took 2 impulsive trades, right? That's the realistic. Don't listen to these freaking gurus. Like that's the realistic part. Like you took 2 impulsive trades. They weren't your setups. You're like, okay, I know I made the mistake. I'm still not tilted. I'm in control. Let me take 1 more trade, right? That trade hits. It's a banger. Once you're out of that trade, whatever that amount is, you're done for the day. Don't go back into the market, please. Like even if you down 400, you took a banger trade for $700, you make $300, you're done for the day. Do not go back into the market, because what happens is you're gonna take another trade, you're gonna lose, and it's gonna start the cycle back and forth, bing, 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 bing. Next thing you know, maximum loss limit hit. Account finito, account gone. Once you are back in green, please just get out of the market. Lock it out, lock it out. Do not keep going, trying to hit your max day. No, just lock it out, start fresh tomorrow. The next day is always better. Starting fresh is always better. Just lock it out and start fresh tomorrow. Lastly, man, one of the things that's really been helping me is strategy overall, right? For most of you guys, is having a consistent strategy, something that works for you. I wouldn't say every day, right? But consistent enough, 60%, whatever it is, 70%, something that happens in the market every day that you can see, that you can do, right? Finding that strategy, right? If you need help, definitely jump into Discord. I talk about, what I'm doing. I share my personal time, of course. And I know people that can help you if you don't have something that is consistent. That is, okay, here's what I'm going to do today. When it shows up, I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this at this time. And that's it, right? When you have something consistently that you can do every day, it really helps with doing this, right? So having a consistent strategy. And again, if you need help, definitely jump into Discord and let me know. That's all I really have today. I've been trading really good, man. I'm up pretty crazy on both of my accounts. Due for another payout pretty soon, probably Monday or Tuesday. We'll keep grinding the accounts again. Leveling up. I'm really liking Top One Trader. I'm not gonna lie. Really liking Top One Trader. You guys should. You guys saw last week I got the payout from them. So there's no problems yet, right? If something changes, of course, I will let you guys know. But for now, I'm really enjoying Top One Trader. My link is in the description below for the affiliate accounts. If you guys want to join, get an account, definitely use my code. Why not, right? Definitely use my code. Let me and then jump into Discord. The Discord is free. If you need help, just let me know. Like, hit me up. You could ask anybody. Like, I give you I'll give you my time, right? As long as I'll figure it out throughout the schedules, whatever. Just hit me up, man. If you really need help, I really care about helping people, especially with trading stuff. Like I know how hard it is, and I've had plenty of people that have helped me personally in trading for free. Like just by telling me something that really changed my life. I've had people that told me 2 things that's changed my trading forever, and it's been crazy. So definitely join the Discord, hit me up, let me know, like, subscribe, share. Thank you. Peace.